Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the TONXDAO Telegram bot airdrop. It has been about a year that we were participating in this airdrop, and now there's a new condition for the airdrop, and they say that the airdrop will be in the near future. Okay, and none of these are financial advice. You should choose yourself if you want to pay for this airdrop or not. And so in order to be one of those who are going to receive the airdrop, you should come to the DAO section, and you have two options. One is transferring your old DAO here. It needs about 3 or 4 TON, and or creating a new DAO here. Again, it needs a few TON tokens. So for registering new DAO or transferring, you choose transfer, and for registering a new DAO, you click on plus, and you create a name, and then some description, and a DAO token name, 3 or 4 letters. You add 3 or 4 letters of DAO token symbol here and DAO token name here. Okay, and then here you can choose some kind of avatar for your DAO for others to see. And here you can add wallet addresses of your DAO members, okay, especially the previous ones, okay. In the previous bot, there was a bot, okay, that everyone was mining the DAOs there. You have connected your wallets there. So your friends or your members give you their wallet address, and you can add more wallet addresses here. And this is my wallet address. So you should have connected your wallet address above in this page. And then you can see your wallet address here. So, and after that, you can set up the consensus for voting. Okay, it can be up to 100%. It means that 100% of the members should vote in order to be able to do something in your DAO. But 60% means that out of the 5 members, only 3 members, if choose yes, and then they can change the DAO leader. They can do many things, okay, by voting. So this is the DAO. If you create your DAO, it will go to the TON keeper of this address, and it wants to pay for it. Okay, so it needs you to pay money, and then later you do this, it needs more money. If you do this soon, okay, it needs less than tomorrow. Okay, the more DAOs which are registered today, it will need more and more money. So I have created my own for 2.5 TON. A few hours earlier, and it's about 3.5 TON right now. So after that, you created your DAO. It writes that it's pending. Okay, after the pending finishes about 15 minutes, you come here and you see that if it is finished, okay, if it is like this, and then you can come here, link your Telegram. Just in this place, okay, link your Telegram, then you connect your Telegram and be a member of a DAO. If you haven't created your DAO, you can be a member of other people's DAO, so you don't have to pay. So if you don't want to pay, you can be a member to the other DAOs, or you can pay a little bit, about half a TON or 1 TON to other people, and they can make you their members, okay. A DAO can have 5 members. After that, the option number 3 is optionally. It's not obligatory to be a creator of a DAO. You can be a member of a DAO, yeah, that's okay. And option number 4 says that select DAO for airdrop. You should select a DAO for an airdrop, okay. You come here, you select your DAO, which is this one for me, and then you subscribe to their channel, and all of these 5 options, 4 options should be green. Number 3 is optional. Yeah, and after that, you are being eligible for the airdrop. As you can see, we have 5 members, and we have 5 slots, and all of them are full. So I cannot accept new members. If a new member arrives, the member number 6 will not give an airdrop. So it's important to take note about that. And yeah, that's all, guys. If you want to hear about the new information and updates about any airdrop, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon there, so you can hear the news, especially about the testnet. Yeah, here we are going to have a testnet airdrop education soon, so feel free to ask any question, and bye bye.